Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Wi-Fi issues on iPhone. If you're experiencing Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone, such as low or unreliable connections, dropped connections, or not being able to connect to Wi-Fi network at all, you can follow some troubleshooting steps to potentially resolve the problem. First of all, you have to do is check your Wi-Fi network. First, make sure that your Wi-Fi network is functioning correctly. Test it with other devices to ensure that the issue is specific to your iPhone or not. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to Settings, tap on General, scroll down, then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to restart your router or modem. Sometimes the issue is with your router or modem. Unplug them for about 30 seconds and then plug them back into reset them. After this, then you have to do is forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go to your settings, tap on Wi-Fi, then tap on I icon. First of all, copy your password and tap on forget this network. Tap on forget. Disable your Wi-Fi, then enable it again. Now tap on your network, paste your password. Now tap on join and done. And see if the issue is solved or not. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is toggle your airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode in your iPhone settings, then leave it for 30 seconds. Then again disable it. After this, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Indicate that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software updates can often fix Wi-Fi related bugs. To check for update, you have to go to your settings, scroll down, then tap on General, tap on Software Update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is reset your network settings. Resetting your network settings can help resolve connectivity issues. To do this, you have to go to your transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.